To remove the motherboard shielding for replacing the rear cover, first remove the hinge cover, the stand, the speaker cover, and partially separate the rear cover and LCD panel assemblies. Remove the fan, the wireless LAN board, the SSD bracket and SSD module if installed in the unit, the heatsink, and the GPU if installed in the unit. Remove the motherboard and the hinge. Remove the wireless LAN antenna cables from the guide on the edge of the motherboard shielding. Detach the 7 Phillips No. 2 screws that secure the motherboard shielding to the rear cover. A stencil of an arrow will indicate the screws for the motherboard shielding. Pull the motherboard shielding out of the unit. To replace the motherboard shielding, place the shielding down into its location on the rear cover, clearing connectors away from the sides of the shielding. Secure the shielding to the rear cover with its 7 Phillips No. 2 screws. Replace the wireless LAN antenna cables into their cable guide on the edge of the motherboard shielding.